Hi guys, welcome back to Aisha's Beauty, and Holi is around the corner. So today we are making these gorgeous organic gulals, and you don't have to buy those harsh chemical powders that stain your skin for weeks. So today I will show you how I have turned these gorgeous flowers from my garden into the softest, safest, although not that bright, but very skin loving gulals that you have ever seen. So let's get started. First, I am using this bougainvillea flowers. These are for the dark red rich color. If you can get your hands on darkest bougainvillea, go ahead, but this is the darkest that I have in my garden. And here I am actually using it in the mortar pestle, first grinding it dry, then using a little bit of water, and now sifting it in a sieve. You can just see the color payoff. It's so beautiful, so bright red. And next we are going to use the moringa leaves for deep earthy green color. And you can definitely use spinach or Mexican oregano or whatever you like. But I like this because it's easily available in my garden. First again, I'm just grinding it dry, then using very little water so that the color can be extracted easily. And if you notice, then I am not using any boiling water or just grinding it in the grinder. The reason is if you use a lot of water, then the color actually dilutes, and sometimes when you boil it, look at that color, so gorgeous. And sometimes when you boil it, then the color payoff is not good. For the orange color, I'm using these Cape honeysuckle flowers. You can definitely use orange bougainvillea if you have access to, or any other orange flowers. And I would like to mention over here that if you boil this honeysuckle, then the color would turn brown. So never do that. Again, the process is same here. And for the blue color now, I am using these gorgeous, my favorite butterfly pea flowers from my garden. I've also done the video on how you can actually make tea from it. So you can just see it on my channel. You can actually boil these butterfly pea flowers to extract the colors because it's so rich in colors, especially when it's fresh. And yes, I'm using cold water, and look at that deep blue color. It's nature's miracle. In Hindi, it's also known as aparajita flower. And the trick is in it that if you add a little bit of lemon, then the color actually turns purple. Look at that deep blue color over here. This is by far my favorite. Blue is also my favorite color. And for the yellow, we are not using any flower. We are using a herb. That's basically the wild turmeric. You can actually use turmeric powder, but the color payoff in natural turmeric is so good. It's also very good for your health. And in like old times, traditionally, for Holi, the gulals were actually made from fresh flowers and fresh herbs because Holi actually signifies spring, transition from winter to spring, and yeah, that's why. But unfortunately, due to commercialization and industrialization, the craftsmanship is gone. But thankfully, people are now again going back to the Ayurvedic treatments. And now the secret ingredient, the corn flour to make that gulal. So I've added a little bit of corn flour into the liquid ink that we have made to reach the gulal consistency. And here you can see that how I'm adding it little and not adding a lot at once. The reason is if you add a lot, then the color would fade, like it won't appear. And because it's corn flour, so You have to mix it very gently because otherwise it would uh, not make a very fine powder. There will be blocks. And you can see the colors are a little bit lighter than the gulals that you get from the market, but it's fine because these are natural gulals. These are not like chemical gulals. And the benefit of using natural gulals is that you can use these in makeup for eye shades, in food to make some sweets. And look at that blue gulal. This is by far my favorite. And at this stage, if you add a little bit of lemon, then you can actually make it a purple gulal. But I didn't make it because I'm content with the blue one. And here we have the orange gulal. The color payoff of that honeysuckle flower is not that good, so I add a little bit of the orange food color to get that bright orange consistency. And now an extra step to sift these so that they come very fine. You can also use grinding machine if you are making it in large quantity, but I prefer to stay away from the machines. It was all about natural gulals and everything, so everything is natural in this video. And here is the gorgeous, my favorite blue gulal, and looking at it make me want to play Holi. Now we are making the green gulal, I guess. Yes, it's a green gulal. And I think sifting it is the most satisfying part because sifting actually breaks the clumps and make the gulal super airy, very professional, and it actually feels like silk on the skin. And look at that orange gulal, so beautiful. And here is the close-up of the gulals for you. And yeah, 5 stunning skin loving colors made right at home. No chemicals, no breakouts, just pure flower power. So if you have enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Aisha's Beauty for more natural glow ups. And yeah, happy Holi everyone. Ciao.